At Pronto Plumbing, we understand the frustration that clogged drains can cause, and also know that there are many off-the-shelf cleaning products that claim to clear clogs. We hear from customers all the time that try to use other cleaning solutions that don't work or they see no results. So we offer a product called BioClean, and it's a safe, friendly bacteria that eats up any organic material that's in your drains to hopefully get your drains flowing a little better. So we decided to stack it up against the leading competitor that you can pick up at a local convenience store or big box store to see how they performed against each other. For this test, we set up 4 bottles, 3 of which were just water and cat food to simulate the organic material in your drains, and the 4th was a water soap mix that we mixed with the cat food to see if the BioClean bacteria worked when they were exposed to an antibacterial soap in the water. So BioClean versus Rid-X. Bottle 1 was the mixture of BioClean and water. The second bottle here was the mixture of BioClean in a water soap mixture. Bottle 3 was a mixture of Rid-X and water, the leading brand. Bottle 4 was a control of distilled water, just to see what the cat food did in distilled water. Now that the BioCleans and the Rid-X are mixed up in the bottles, we drop the cat food into each bottle to simulate the food and organic matter that we all constantly wash down the drains and eventually clog up our drains. Now we set up the test and we'll come back and check on the bottles after some time has passed. Here's a shot of the bottles at 15 minutes. Not much has happened, but you can see that they've broken down a little bit. Now we've seen the bottles at 1 hour, and you can tell that each bottle has a little bit of action going on, but let's take a closer look at each bottle. The BioClean bottle after 1 hour has seen some significant changes. There's not much cat food floating around up top, and you can tell that right on the bottom there's a little bit of cat food breakdown that would wash away in your drains. Here's bottle 2, and this is the soap mixture, antibacterial soap and BioClean, and you can definitely tell that it's working. It looks pretty similar to the first bottle, which was just water and BioClean and cat food. In bottle 3, you see the Rid-X, and it's very similar to the BioClean, but you can tell that the particles on the bottom are much bigger, and there's still a little bit of cat food floating up top, but they're pretty close. And here's the untreated water, which is just distilled water and cat food, and obviously the cat food just got puffy and floated, which usually ends up clogging your drains. Now here's the BioClean at 2 hours, and there's a lot of big changes here. Here's the BioClean, and there's not much cat food floating around up top. It's all broken down and sitting in the bottom, so you can tell that most of that would have washed down your drain eventually and cleared the clog. Now let's look at the BioClean and soap mixture, and pretty much the same. There's little to no cat food up top, and most of it's all on the bottom, so that worked pretty well. The soap really didn't have an effect on the BioClean bacteria. And here's the Rid-X, which it did break down some of the cat food, but there's still big chunks of cat food floating up top, so it has to do a little work there, and didn't work quite as well as the BioClean. And there's the untreated water, and the cat food's all puffy up in the top there. Let's just take another look at these bottles after 2 hours up against the light. You can see there's nothing floating up top of the bottle with the BioClean. And the soap and BioClean mixture is practically identical. There's very little difference in the two, so you can tell that the soap had no effect. Here's the Red X, and you can tell there's still large chunks of cat food floating up top, so it wasn't as effective as the BioClean. And here's the untreated water, and obviously it's a mess. There's big chunks still floating in there. That would end up eventually clogging your drain. So you could definitely tell that there's a difference between the BioClean and the Red X, and the BioClean still proved to be powerful in a soapy water mixture. So the antibacterial hand soap had no effect on the BioClean whatsoever, and it worked just the same as regular BioClean and water.